guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Taylor, and if you don't know me, now you know. And in today's video, I'm going to be discussing tips and tricks that are simple, easy, effective for those that love to wear lipstick but hate how it turns out in 4 hours after eating, or you just looking like a hot mess when you're trying to apply it and it's just not working out for you. I am here to teach you tricks that I use to make my lipstick last a long time, and also to clean it up around the edges because it's just looking a little crusty. So if you want to experience the tricks that I have and the tips that I got, I am here to give those to you. But before we get into the video, please make sure to like and subscribe. And without further ado, turn on the notification bell and let's get right into the video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to not look like this and look like this. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so things that you're gonna need is a concealer. I just use the Morphe concealer. I've been using this for the past couple of months and I really like it. It really stays on for a longer period of time. This is not sponsored by Morphe, but all the products that I'm going to be using, which I just now come to the realization, they're by Morphe. So I'm also going to be using this Morphe lipstick color in the shade Nibble. I'm going to be using a lipstick or a concealer brush. This is also Morphe. It's in 160. And then Q-tips that are not by Morphe. It's the only thing that's not by Morphe. Oh, and then I'm also going to be using the Real Techniques beauty sponge that you see me use in countless videos whenever I'm doing my makeup. That's what I'm going to be using. So to start out, you're going to want to start off with your makeup. I already applied all my makeup, so this is going to be like the last step. When I apply my makeup, I like to put my foundation and or concealer over my lips just for a little bit of discoloration, just to even out the skin tone, and actually having the concealer as a base before you put on your makeup, it helps in the longevity of your lipstick as well. This is not normally what I would look like, but since I already did my makeup, because I had work earlier today, oh my gosh, I look so crusty Carol over here. But since I had work earlier today, I already did my makeup. I'm not about to redo my makeup, but you get the point. And then I'm gonna take this, and then I use where I blot it to line up my bottom lips. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your Morphe concealer or whatever concealer that you're using, and you're not gonna use this brush because you don't even need a lot, and especially if it's lighter than your actual complexion, like, you don't need a lot. But either take your foundation and take your concealer. You're just gonna use your brush and you're just gonna dab a little bit on either side, and it's just gonna be a very thin layer. Then you're gonna go in, and then you're just gonna clean up your lips a little bit. Next thing that you can do is that if you are applying your lipstick and you decide to just not go anywhere near your lips and you just ruin the whole look, don't freak out. You can fix it with some Q-tips. You can use your micellar water makeup removing wipes and have it dip into the formula, or you can use water and anything will get the job done. You can use Q-tips or you can use tissue. If it's a bigger spot, you're probably going to want to use tissue just to save some time, but you can use Q-tips if it is a smaller time. So all you're going to do is just dip it in some water and then lightly brush the area, okay? All you're going to have to do is either take concealer or take your foundation and just put it right on top, and then you'll be fine. And the last thing is that if you're putting on lipstick and you put a little too much on and it somehow gets into your mouth and on your teeth, I don't even know if they have a title for it, to be honest. What you can do is take 1 to 2 fingers, put it inside your mouth, and then pull out your fingers, and then it should have the extra residue. So that is it for this vlog. I hope you found these tips and tricks helpful. If you've heard of them, if you haven't heard of them, let me know in the comments down below. And if you like more videos like this, please make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you know when the next video is going to be posted. I post every Tuesday and Friday, but I'm starting to shift my days of when I post. I recently got a new job, and that's gonna alter my scheduling time for here on YouTube. So bear with me. I'm still gonna be uploading videos and a whole bunch of other goodies and everything like that, but it might not be exactly on Tuesday and Friday. It might be on Wednesday, like this video, or still on Friday or Saturday. You know, I will let you guys know the full schedule once when I get an actual schedule down with my job. But until then, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.